All right, it's Monday, January 16th. Just following up on the QQQs. After buying some puts here on this kind of two up, two down, red bar, secondary trade, expecting it to kind of move to the lower end of the range. It's starting to move down there now. So I was able to scale out of this trade at, I bought the 412 puts at 444. I just scaled out of 525. They kind of hit that area right there. So it's a no risk trade right now to see what kind of unfolds here. We're going to get to the lows of the day or not. The tricky thing here is the SPYs just took out its low of the day, where the QQQs are kind of holding up a little stronger. Although I see a lot of QQQ related stocks on the board like Netflix and Tesla, Nvidia, and everything failing a little bit. They started out stronger. So anyway, we'll see. Nevertheless, good trade here at no risk to see if we really build some momentum, take out the lows of the day, maybe get to those pre-market lows down here, and possibly on the daily chart, end up with a nice shooter bar that could follow through, towards its target here, either today or, as the week moves on. So again, it was just more of a thing where all these indexes kind of moved up a little bit, failed pretty nicely on their secondary attempt to move higher. So they weren't really going to attack the highs of the day again. And then this type of pattern, once you see that failure, you can kind of trade that first pullback and see if if we can get, another push lower towards some other targets that might be in play. So we are heading towards the lows of the day. We'll see if we get there. No risk right now. And we'll see again if, what do we got here? A little less than 2 hours to go. If we can end up with a kind of a red shooter bar, which could be a negative start to the week. Although, like I had been discussing, we're still only inside of this green bar. So it's kind of tricky to say what's really going to unfold. I think there'll be some good daily signals somewhere along the line as the week moves on. But for now, we're kind of just getting a little bit of a failure to start the week. And then the intraday structure, had that little failure of, reaching those intraday highs again. So it was a good opportunity to buy some puts here and just to see what might unfold to the downside.